The scanner comes with consumables that wear and tear from prolonged scanning of documents. Using the scanner with the consumables in a worn-out or used-up state may cause a feeding error to occur, scanning quality to be poor, or printing to fade. To use the scanner in a comfortable manner, the consumables need to be replaced regularly. Prepare consumables in advance for replacement. This video explains how to replace the consumables using the fi-7900 with an imprinter installed as an example. Now, let's replace the consumables of the scanner. If the hopper has been raised, bring it back down to the lower position in order to replace the brake roller. Turn off the scanner with the hopper kept open and unplug the power cable. Allow at least 15 minutes for the interior of the scanner to cool down. Open the ADF. First, replace the pick rollers. Open the roller cover. Grab the tabs of the pick rollers and remove the pick rollers from the shaft one by one. Attach new pick rollers on the shaft one by one. This completes the procedure for replacing the pick rollers. Next, replace the separator roller. Pull down the right and left levers and remove the separator roller. Install a new separator roller. Close the roller cover. This completes the procedure for replacing the separator roller. Next, replace the brake roller. Open the brake roller cover. Remove the brake roller. Install a new brake roller. Close the brake roller cover. This completes the procedure for replacing the brake roller. Close the ADF. Plug in the power cable. Turn on the scanner with the hopper kept open. Use the operator panel to reset the brake roller counter, pick roller counter, and separator roller counter. This completes the procedures for replacing the consumable parts of the scanner. Now, let's replace the print cartridge in an imprinter. Turn off the scanner and unplug the power cable. Steps taken to replace the print cartridge differ according to the type of imprinter you are using with your scanner. First, let's take a look at the replacing procedure for the front side imprinter. Open the top cover and lift the output feeder unit. Open the print cartridge holder cover. Remove the print cartridge. Install a new print cartridge. Close the print cartridge holder cover until it locks in place. Move the print cartridge holder to the print position. Close the output feeder unit and then top cover. Next, take a look at the replacing procedure for the backside imprinter. Open the backside imprinter cover. Open the print cartridge holder cover. Remove the print cartridge. Install a new print cartridge. Close the print cartridge holder cover until it locks in place. Move the print cartridge holder to the print position. Close the backside imprinter cover. After replacing the print cartridge, plug in the power cable. Turn on the scanner with the hopper kept open. Use the operator panel to reset the ink level counter. This completes the procedure for replacing the print cartridge. After replacing the consumables, make sure you can scan documents without any problems. To continue using our products in a comfortable manner for years to come, replace the consumables with the approved consumables.